Alhamdulillah, with the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, after Isha Namaz and with the Tarawis, we are gathered here in the mosque for a while for the zikrullah. Though we do common this thing and routine, but the unique thing is that today's zikr is a very special zikr. And this type of zikr which we are doing comes once in a year. This is why special, because as you know that tonight is a Laylatul Qadr night, 23rd. So that's the special zikr. In common zikr, when people gather for zikrullah, the reward for that, which is in the hadith, our angels and the people gather only for zikr. These are the words of hadith. And there is no other intention for gatherings except they gather for zikrullah. So then, our angel announced from the sky, O peoples, Allah have forgiven you. And not only forgiven you, He changed your all the sins into nekis. So after in this gathering, alhamdulillah, according to this hadith, this announce will be done from the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala through the angels. But the good thing is that this announcement is in a Laylatul Qadr. And the reward for this zikrullah, a part of that we heard the great Khushkhabri, protection from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is that this night is said in the Quran, Khairun min alf shahr. So anything you do in this night, it is the khair min more and more than 1,000 months. So this zikr is the reward for that. You can count it now. How much reward for 2 nights zikr. So, alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah. We are nothing. This is our blessing for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who gives this opportunity to us. We gather for this purpose for a short while. And so much rewards we have got it from there. May Allah give you all the blessing of this night, all of us. Worship.